All right, so this is a DXY chart in a daily chart. So we can see that the dollar has a strong move in the last week, and but for the this week we have a retracement, and now it's actually testing the 97.60. This is a strong resistance, and which is a previous high. All right, and here we can see that this garlic patterns or butterfly patterns, because according to the butterfly patterns, we have this fib extensions at a 1.272, if you remember, right? So get ready that the DXY may rally to this place, okay, at a 97.97, okay. And right now, the DXY is retesting the previous we called this strong candles basement here. Okay, this is a basement, the base of the strong big green candle. Can you see that? Okay, so if you believe that this strong big green candle has a very strong force of the buyers, then here, okay, here is the best place to buy. Okay, so if you want to buy from here, what you can do is you can buy the DXY right now and stop loss below this small tiny candles here. If this is actually a what we call a rally based rally, okay, and when the retrace to the basement of this strong green candle, okay, what you can do is it's actually similar to the structure broken and retest. Are you clear? Right, because for the two candles, it cannot break 96.99, and it has a strong candle going up. Now it's retested. So what you can do is you can buy now, stop loss set below this small candle.
Sometimes I see Western
Aim,
go,
you can aim for the butterfly completion point. All right. So this is the first trade.
I don't think you follow Richard. He's a maestro, but I don't think Richard trades.
All right. So how to trade DXY is we can find some trades in yuan. So what we can do is yes, let's short sell. All right. Can you see that this is a broken structure of the blue? Oh yeah, maybe yeah. Okay, let's I will mute your mic. Okay, is now better? Okay, good. So DXY strong buy means okay euro US dollar, okay, strong sell. So how do we sell euro? We can sell euro right now. Stop loss. The best place of course is the previous the 1.1285. So we can stop loss up above here. Okay, and going down, right? And remember in the last webinar, okay, what I draw for you guys is this channel. Do you remember? All right. And I said after we broke this wedge, we can sell, and it gives a very nice profit of 200 pips. And I'm very glad that some of our members have grasped this fall and made money. Right? And now it actually gives us a second chance to re-enter. Right? Good. Okay. So let's go for Sterling. And Sterling, if you remember, if you are in my students group, right? How many of you received this chart today for Sterling? Do you receive this my trading alerts? I say GBP hit important resistance, and this is chart I draw. I said 1.3254 could be a very strong selling point. Oh, Paul, Edward, anyone else, right? And then it has a very nice fall. You see, before just we capture about 140 pips, right? From 1 to 50 to 1.30, 40, something like that, right? Okay. All right. So be just to get ready if there's any trading charts or alerts from this group, right? And if you're not in the WeChat group, yeah, if you are in the WhatsApp group, okay, I will ask our students to forward my chart to WhatsApp students group. You can see here. All right, please forward to WhatsApp. Okay, so yeah, so congratulations for those who have made a very good money in the sterling dollar. All right, and despite this sterling move we captured today, right? We sell basically we capture from here, from the neckline here, and to the neckline here, right? And then it basically we can short here and buy from here, right? It's actually a super easy money. Okay, 3270 to 300. Wow, that is 270 pips. Wow, that is so good. Okay, and if you remember in last week we have a sterling yen short. Do you remember? The sterling yen short also made a very nice profit from 147.77 all the way to 143.7. So it's 400 pips. Okay, these actually are all the simple trades that are structure, break, and retest, right? What you need to do is to enter the trade after the pattern was formed and make a correct stop loss, correct lot size, right? And have a couple of first target, second target, and third target, right? Okay. But do get ready that there are fundamental news in the sterling, right? If you go to investing.com, we have the euro, the Brexit news for the euro and sterling, and I think they're going to postpone the Brexit date. That's why the sterling have a very strong move. This shocking news today, right? So let's go check the news. Okay, Forex. Yeah, you're right. Okay, sterling tanks on Brex the legal advice. Right. So that is yeah, it's actually bad news for the GBP. Okay, it fell by more a cent against dollar. Okay, as the UK government's top lawyer effectively killed off any chance that the UK's agreement to leave in the euro would pass a vote on a parliament later Tuesday, reviving the specter of a disorderly no-deal Brexit. Okay, so this is a key thing. Okay, a disorderly no-deal Brexit. Okay. All right, so if this thing really happens, okay, sterling could have a very, very, very strong fall, right? So let's look from the chart, okay? Guys, do you remember that harmonic patterns actually can predict the next move? Do you remember? Do you have this? We have this ability, okay, to forecast the next move, right? So here, let's do the magic. Okay, let's do the magic, right? So if we're using this point as x here, if this is x and you believe that this 1.2a is strong, right? And we capture this as a, so we have the leg xa. Do you agree? Can we do this? If you agree, please type 6. Okay, good. Right. So if we point this as a leg XA, right? Where is the B? B is here, right? All right, good. And where is the C? Okay, good. Today we just have a nice C because we know that the C point have this requirement that it cannot break A, right? And I have to retrace certain level, right? So what we can do is we just use a fib to measure the distance from XA, right? Okay, and we found that the B point is actually sitting on the 618 point. Isn't that make any sense? So you actually have a clue that why does the price, why does the first four fall to the B point at the 618 and then rally back to C. Yes, other hand, you have a very nice memory. It's good, very good. So we have our potential Gardy patterns here, and we just need to measure the fib extensions 1.272. Okay, and another thing is we have to use the AB equals to CD here. Right, good. So ABCD also very possible. Okay, we can see that ABCD actually compete at a 76 point. The extensions at a 1.2854, 1.44 at a 1.2799. Okay, so this gives us a hint that the sterling may have a Gardy patterns, right? Something like this. Okay, so my question is, if any bad news happen to sterling, can it fall to this level? Do you agree that it have this chance to fall to here? Right now it's 1.31. Can sterling have any possibility to have to fall 1.2854? Do you agree? Because the news will create volatilities, right? News equals to volatility, right? So the huge volatility we may push the sterling to, here. And if you really want to buy, you have to watch the price actions between this place, okay? From 1.2850 to 1.2775, okay? If that's the place you might want to take a buy and a stop loss below the X, okay? And of course, you have to watch the price action to have this beautiful maybe beautiful pin bar, okay, or engulfing, anything, right? Good. Again, let's start from another view, okay. Okay, so I will keep these Gardy patterns here. Another view is we have to know that the rally from 1.2372 to 1.3346. Okay, this 1,000 pips move has been ended. Okay, this whole rally has been stopped because we can see that it's actually second time cannot break new high. Okay, we have to measure the fib from here, from low to high. Where is the 618? Okay, at 1.2746. Somewhere here. Okay. Okay, good. So, what's your choice? You ready? You ready to take the buy for these blue Gardy patterns, or you prefer to wait for the price to come to the 618 to watch the price action to get ready to buy, or you just wait for the price to to fall anyway, because we just want to see where the price may touch, okay? Because we don't want to engage in a very very volatile market, right? But we just get ready that the sterling may fall to here, or if the news is really bad, the market is super fear, okay, the sterling may drop to 1.2746. Okay, but that is our, yeah, but I'm not saying that we could trade the sterling directly. Okay, but what I do suggest is that we use the Gardy pattern and we use the Fibonacci 618 to give us a hint at where the price might go. Okay, and then we capture some other opportunities when the news was stabilized. People knows what the market is going, what is the next the news, the breaking news point, and we'll find some good patterns to buy. Right. So in conclusion, do you want to buy now? Do you want to buy GBP now for long term? For long term, is there any reason for you to buy the sterling from here? Is it? No, right? If you really want to buy, you have to wait for the price, at least for the blue Gardy or for the 618. Right? And guys, I have a terrible, instinct. There might be some other possibilities. Okay, I will draw this as a red color from here. Can a sterling form a super great bat pattern? Is this also a possibility? Do you agree? Is this pattern valid? If you think yes, please give me 6. Thank you, Madhan. You are very fast. You type 6 before I ask. Very good. All right, good. So we have the bad patterns tells you, wow, sterling may fall to 1.2484. Okay. All right. So anyway, there's all these patterns tells you don't buy from here. You have to really be careful of the sterling's move, right? Because sterling move can move from here to here. It also can just perform like similar like last time, right? From here and just fall to here. Okay, so there's no way that you want to buy sterling, but we have to wait for the price to come to our buying zone, right? Okay, so 1.2746, 1.2484, that will be a very good choice, right? Of course, watch the price actions, and what you can do is you may want to take a strong sell from here. Okay, I'm giving you a very strong point of 1.32. Okay, this place will be a good place for you to sell if there's any retracement to here, right? So this is our final trading plans. Okay, for sterling, we want to sell the pullback to 1.32. Okay, and your stop loss may just need to above 1.3250 maybe, or yeah. Okay, and enjoy the fall. All right. Okay, good. Let's go to Aussie. Okay, Aussie dollar have a good retracement back into the neckline. Okay, we want to take a sell, but now the price action looks not very good because we have a strong move, strong candles. Okay, almost break the wick of this candle. So the Aussie may have a strong move in the next few days, and based on the China's A shares, the China A shares, okay, have a very strong move, okay, for the China stock market. So Aussie may have, some support. And by the way, the Aussie has already hit into the previous the structure here, okay, and I think it also complete the 1.272 maybe. Oh, not yet, not yet. Okay, all right. Never mind. So anyway, in 4-hour chart, there is a uptrend. Okay. So the uptrend, you can see the prices keeps going up, right? Okay, what we can anticipate is the Aussie may continue the rally all the way to the 618. right? 618, where is 618? It's here, 0.7124. And the 7124, look left. Ah, yeah, we found a structure. Good. So get ready to sell Aussie from here. Okay, that will be a good choice because right now it's keep riding, and there's no way for you to get retracement. Okay, at least not now. So we could, buy. Sorry, we could sell from here. Okay, all right. Libra. Yeah, I don't think this is a Libra because the here is already happened to the Libra here, if you remember, right? The Libra is already completed. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and now it's actually a simple move of the previous this swing leg to the point 7124. Oh, you mean the here the small in the recent move, right? Yeah, you're right. Yes, this is Libra. Good, very nice spot. You're right. Okay, so where's the neckline? The neckline is here. Okay, it's also head and shoulder patterns, right? Neckline is here. So you're trying to buy the pullback of USD. There's no pullback to the structure. It's a pin bar here. Okay, the wick actually have a retracement to here, 0.70557, right? So if there's a retracement, you can consider to buy. What I suggest you buy from 0.7050, right? So we have two plans for Aussie. You either buy from 0.7050, okay, and then enjoy the next up, or you wait for the price to, you know, to come to the 618 and based on the structure here and to sell. Okay. So this is the two possibilities for Aussie. Okay, you get it? We okay. So the key thing is we want to buy low and we want to sell high, right? And that's how we make money, right? So any plans will give you this. Okay, the structure break up and a pullback give us a chance to buy the low. The 618 plus the structure give us the chance to sell high. Do you think this is a logical trade, or do you want to take the trade? Vote. Who want to take the buy? Who want to take the sell? Who want to take both? Sell only. Sell high. Okay. Why no buy? We can take a buy because this is a beautiful head and shoulders neckline pullbacks, right? Right. Actually, you can take both. It's because with buy low is correct. Sell high is also correct. Yeah, not sorry, buy is not low. No, it's relatively low because this is a previous. That's why you have to learn my course because I have already told you that this is a previous the resistance structures. When resistance structure was broken, all right, it will become a support. So you are buying into the support, which is good. And your stop loss just need to be placed to be here to below the breaking candles, and you're just taking a risk of this much. Okay, you're taking a risk of this much and aim to this high. You're still getting a 1 to 4.83 risk reward ratios. Yes, you're right. As per DXY, you want to take a sell high, but that's you want to. If the DXY is buy, Aussie is a sell, but you want to sell now, you rather to sell at this place, right? Okay. So there's something odd, right? Because DXY is dropping to support, and Aussie didn't actually rally to a strong selling zone. So maybe there's a still gap here. Okay. Good. Let's move on to Canadian dollars. Okay, Canadian dollars have a strong move in the last few weeks. Okay, and we capture this strong, nice move from here. We're using harmonic patterns capture this move. Okay, very good. Okay, and you can take some profit. Right, and it has already completed two targets. First target 1.3296, second target 1.3436. Okay, and now it's actually coming down, right? And give us a new chance to buy the low, okay, to buy the low of the dollar Canadian. What you can do is you can first of all you should measure the whole move from this leg, okay. You have to wait at least the 38.2 place. If this place cannot hold, you have to wait for the 618 place, okay. And the look left, I will strongly recommend you using the 618 level to buy because it's close to the neckline here, this double tops, a double bottoms neckline, right? So dollar CAD trying to buy from 1.3258 to buy from here. Buy from 618 will be the best, okay. 38.2 is actually a short-term buying, and if the downtrend cannot be broken, you have to quick escape from it as soon as possible, right? Another possibilities is the dollar CAD will make a neckline from here, right? So it may not pull back too deep, come to here and goes up, right, close to 38. So you have to watch the price action first, and before you take a buy, right? Okay, but don't forget that we have these bearish patterns here. This is telling you that dollar CAD is ready to 31 to 1.3573. Good. So we have a plan A to buy from here, plan B to buy from here. Both we are using the confirmation entry. So what is confirmation entry? Confirmation entry means, okay, watch price action, okay, find pin bar, engulfing, okay, or inside bar breakup, okay, and use this candlesticks, okay, to buy. Do you understand? So this is what we call confirmation entry. You don't buy when the price come in directly. You wait for the price to form a pin bar to tell you, oh, yeah, there's a buying force, and you start to buy. Okay. So remember this. Okay. If you find it's hard to place a stop loss, okay, you have to use confirmation entry to help you to get a strong signal to buy from here or from here. Okay, you have to find some other signals. Do you understand? Give me some response. You understand what I'm talking? You don't buy directly, but you wait for the price action to prove me that there's buyers here, and you find a pin bar and engulfing candles to buy after the price hits into the supporting zone. Okay, and then you decide whether you want to go or not. Cool, right? Good. Let's go to oil. Okay, oil have a strong rally, but oil right now is hitting to the strong resistance zone. Okay, and there's a cipher patterns here. What you can hear, this is cipher patterns already completed. Okay, so what you can do is using the cipher patterns to have a sell from 78.6 point. It has already made the touch from 57.13. Okay, so yeah, go for it. Go for it. We can sell sell the oil right now. Okay. Let me just post the plan in the trading view. Okay, bearish cipher plus structure sell. Okay, so sell oil now. Okay, stop loss above 57.90. Okay, aim. What we can aim is we should using the Fibonacci here. Okay, the first target will be here, second target will be here. Sorry, 618. The target will be the previous low. All right, good. Our stop loss is above the X. Okay, the X point is here. So what we aim is 56.37, 55.65, and 54.50. Okay. So how many lot size we can do? Right now it's 57.37. Our stop loss is about 30 pips. Sorry, 60 pips. Okay. So 60 pips move. If you want to risking $200, you better trade 0.33 lot. Okay. Right. Cool. Anyone want to join? Anyone? Right. Oh, good, Ling. You are so disciplined. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Why do we trade patterns? Okay. Okay. Why do we trade patterns? Okay, because we follow rules. Okay, we follow rules. We execute the rules. Okay. So if the pattern is within the is valid, if the pattern has a good risk reward ratio and into a very strong move, very strong resistance or support, okay, and you just take a trade, okay, without hesitating, okay, because in the end you're only getting two results. One, hit your stop loss, you risk with $200. Two, you have a more than $400 gain, okay, and we getting money from the law of the large numbers. Do you agree? The way the system let us winning money, okay, is the law of large numbers and consistency. Just remember this, right? You have to trust the system. Okay, if the system is good risk reward ratio with a certain winning ratio provided, okay, all you need to do is to trust the system and make your trade numbers as large, as big as possible. Then you can benefit from the law of the large numbers, okay? And you have to be consistent. You trade every patterns that you see, okay? So we are not fear of the risk. We are not fear of being stop loss hunted, okay? But we know that what we are doing is a business, okay? Every time we use 2%, okay, as risk to exchange for 4% and more, okay? And if we have 50% winning ratio, okay, long-term wise, we are profitable. So that's a key, all right? I think all of our students have to remember this. Give me 5 if you agree with this logic. Okay, because if you hesitate of a certain patterns, if you are not confident enough to trade, right, you will definitely miss this starting trade. You miss this 200 pips move. All right, the same thing, you'll miss the previous the sterling yen's 400 pips move. because before you trade, you never know that the trade is going to be successful or not, right? You cannot just expect that you can only take winning trades. There's no losing trades at all. That's not right. Okay, so you have to take the risk, but limit the risk within a range. Okay, don't let your risk be more than 2% of your capitals, right? And it just take the trade, right? 2 for 4, 2% for 4%, or 6% or 8%. Okay, get those high reward and risk ratio trade. Get those trades that has give you a better entry. Okay, give you the patterns, and then you'll be good, right? So this is how do I make money in this market, and I really want you guys to understand the reason. Okay, you may doubt that. Wow, oh, Jack, why do you have this ability to take so many trades, to find so many opportunities, and make so much money, right? It's not about my accuracy. Right? If you're looking at a trading view, I'm not so accurate as you think is, right? You may think that maybe I have 90% 90% winning, okay, but it's actually not, okay. I'm maybe have a 60% or slightly above 60%, but my risk ratio will be really good, okay. I either lose maybe 30 pips or 50 pips, but I can win 200 pips or 400 pips. That's the key, right? So find those trades, okay. Respect the rules, okay. That's why you have to. That's why you want to learn from me, because I teach you how you make your rules, right? Okay. All right. Go to the uh, Bitcoin. Right. Okay. Bitcoin sideways, and Bitcoin really touched this supporting zone. Uh, as I last time I said, okay, structure breakup and retest. Right. So as long as the BTC is above 3,008, right, it still have the chance to have another second move up. Okay, so just buying the BTC when it's getting close to 3,008 will be very good. Okay, for the Ethereum, it's the same thing. Okay, 128 is a strong support, so you buy from 128 and aim for 164. Right, for EOS, it's same thing, but EOS is a bit strong. Didn't really get back to 3.06. Now it's at 3.73. So what you can do is you can utilize with this structure here, okay, to buy. Okay, I'm bullish for the cryptocurrency for this moment. Okay, let's go to the S&P 500. Okay, it actually hits into the previous support of this structure here, and have a nice rally right now. But what I did think is since this wedge is this whole channel was broken in the last time, and our strategy is to sell the pullbacks, right? I know that a lot of you guys have already entered the short, right, last week. Okay, okay, in March. March 5th, it actually have this pullback already, and you made the first four, made the money of this first four, right? Right now, what you can do is you can use the Fibonacci retracement. You can see here, okay, 78.6 is touched, and the previous structure was touched, okay? So what you can do is you can continue to sell the S&P here, or you can use this place to sell it from 2008. 2008 will be a good, or and also 0.886 is also very good. So you can create two shots. Okay, you can create one shot from here. You can create a second shot from here, and put your stop loss. Above 2008.22. Okay, split your selling orders into two. Okay, splitting your selling order into two. You can create one from here. If it's going up to 2008.07, you sell another. Okay, but make sure your total loss is still 2% of your capital. Right, you have to make a calculations and aim for a 4 to 2007 and 60. All right, our target is here. target is here. Are we clear? So this is a S&P short trade, sell trade if you want to trade it. Dollar Swiss will be the same, similar and as DXY. So dollar Swiss, buy from here, buy from 1.0057. Okay, you have to wait for the structure to be tested. Okay, buy from here. And right now you have a double top. Okay, so if you have already sell from 1.001, you already make money. Okay, but buy from here. Dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen, sideways. This bad pattern has a very nice rally, and now the price have make a consolidation at about 111.10. So into 1 hour chart, okay, I will suggest you to take the 618 buy. Very close to the 111.10. Right, so buy from 111.10 for dollar yen. Okay, simple move. For S&P, guys, I give you the trade. Do you want to take? Right? You don't draw my attention from a chart that has the good trading opportunities to some others not the price not hitting the zone yet. Why are you wasting your time on dollar Swiss? Why are you wasting your time on dollar yen? These two pairs doesn't give you trading opportunities, but S&P gives. Which one you want to trade? Nikki, are you ready to short S&P? Okay, vote. How many of you want to trade the S&P? Sell. Right? Do you agree with the trading philosophy? Right? Strong move, break the wedge, right? And now it has a retest back to the origin of the selling point, right? So we have two short orders from 1795 and 1807, right? So as long as the S&P cannot break the new high, we are okay to sell, and we are selling high. Easy. Is this the same method that I teach you guys in my course? If you think yes, and the logic is okay, why not take the trade? Go. Who knows? Who knows? S&P will fall to here. Who knows? Right? Because in the long term, you can also take this as a strong. This could be a very big harmonic patterns, right? And this harmonic patterns hasn't make a very strong move yet. Maybe we'll move to the 618. Okay, who knows? So just go for it. Like, measure your risk. Not be afraid. Just take the trade. Right, good. Dow Jones. Okay, Dow Jones already make the move of neckline broken and retest. You can see here. So you can also consider sell Dow Jones instead of S&P. Sell. Long-term bullish is end, and now become a double top and a retest of the structure. Right, Dow Jones also good for sell. All right, good. So any more questions? Any more questions? Basically, we covered all the products, and I think sterling may have a very strong fall. Okay, Aussie is either to buy low from new or sell high. Remember, okay, buy low or sell high. Euro, sell. See, euro is coming down. Sell euro. Dollar yen. Okay, buy the low from 618 and aim up. Dollar Canadian. Okay, wait for the price to come to A or B. Watch price action to buy. Okay, dollar Swiss. Wait here to buy. Now it's coming down. Wait this structure to buy. S&P. Sell now. Oil. Sell now. Right? You see, oil already come down. You see the point? You see the power? See, the oil is coming down. You're making money, guys. Don't ask me for the Kiwi. The Kiwi dollar is same as the Aussie. You don't need to trade Kiwi if you already see the oil. Wow, falls so nice. Did you sell? Did you sell? You see that the oil already comes. Make money already. See? Oh, no stop. Right? Yeah, just follow the rules, okay? Trust the patterns, follow the rules. The money will come. All right? Good. All right, so that's all for today. All right, if you think that my course is good, so just yeah, you can invite your friends to register my course. All right, go to harmonicasia.com, okay, and register course. And I'm going to make a constant webinars for all my students, all my members, and making good trading alerts to you guys. Same as always, okay. I hope that you can make money. You can make a lot of money with regulated risk. Okay, you can see here, right? Our Projack official students group, right? Sterling. Okay, previous we have some other trades here, right? You see the sterling yen trade in last week. Okay. All right. So that's all for today. Thank you for coming. So see you next time. Yes, I will upload the video to the YouTube. Okay, you can go to the YouTube slash Projack. Projack will be my YouTube channel. All right, you go to this place to watch the webinars recordings. All right. Yeah, thank you, Ling. Bye bye. See you next time.